That looks like a heart. That looks like a heart-shaped cloud. What the hell?
So something weird is happening. Like probably about 30 minutes ago, the weather was like 105 degrees, and then it started getting cloudy, and now it's starting to rain. What's up with this weather, man? Just out of nowhere, it started raining. Does this mean that summer's over finally, and now we're going into rain season? That'd be so cool. I'm so ready for it to cool down. Look at all that rain. Actual rain, man! It's rain! Oh shit. This is beautiful. I love the rain. Oh, excuse me. Oh shit, yellow light. Move your ass. Come on, DHL. Cool little mural under the bridge. Whoa, dude. That wasn't your fucking turn to go, bro. Asshole. So it looks like there was an accident or something up ahead. Can you see the... Let me see if I can kind of zoom in. Right there. Can you see that? Over there. Back there. It smells like a fire. It smells like a fire's going on somewhere. Hey, look at the raindrops. Can you guys see the raindrops? Raindrops are falling on my truck. You can actually see the raindrops. That's pretty cool. Look at all the raindrops. Ooh, it's hot. It's raining, but it's hot. Ugh, it's humid now. Whoa, what the hell? Whoa, whoa! Oh shoot, that's crazy. Oh shit, my truck's getting all wet. Oh shit! Ah, damn it. Oh shit, that's crazy, dude. This is a hot rain weather. My sunroof. So it looks like somebody crashed right here. And there's the, hold up. Let me see if I can turn my windshield. There you go. It's like a little Chevy car. Wait, where's the other car? Oh, it's over there. The other car that was involved is the white one behind this little Ford. I mean, sorry you guys. Ford. This little Chevy. Oh yeah. Oh shit, there's thunder. I'm sitting here in the Staples parking lot. There's a lot of thunder going on right now, so I'm trying to catch something good. These clouds are beautiful. It's cloudy, but no rain up here. Only heat.